Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what you can do if you've missed the Safari Harvest event and you haven't gotten all of the pets. So there's actually a Safari merchant now. Here you can purchase some pets and some seeds, mostly these pets. I don't think they do sell the eggs and the seed. I'm not sure. Maybe this is just the current stock, but I don't think they do. So unfortunately, you cannot purchase the egg and the seed, but you can get the pets you haven't gotten, like the lion, crocodile, etc. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.